Welcome to the Toothpicks program. When we start the program, we get this output on the screen, and then we're at a point where we could give some input. The point of the program is to solve the puzzle and end up with the same number of toothpicks in each of the three stacks. So here we have 11 in the A stack, 7 in the B stack, 6 in the C stack. Total of these is 24. We want to end up with 8 in each stack. So we can come down and make moves as follows. So let's say we want to move from stack B to stack C. So we type in B, a space, and then type in C, press enter, and it shows us the new updated stack. So it took the 7 from B and put them into C. So when you make a move, you don't move all of them. What you do is you move the number that's equal to how many are in the destination. So if I'm moving from B to C, there's 6 in C, so I take 6 from here from B and move them over here to C, giving me 12 in C, 1 remaining in B. If you were to do it the other way around, try and go from C to B, it'd give you an error because there aren't 7 in C to be moved to B. So the stack that you're moving from has to have equal to or greater than the number of toothpicks as the stack that you're moving to. So after this first move, we can see we have 11, 1, and 12. And then let's say we want to move from, let's say, B to A. Notice I'm using lowercase letters now, and that also works, but it gives me an error message because I don't have 11 in B, 11 or more, to move to A. So it gives me an error and allows me to retry. Well, how about going the other way around? How about if I went from A to B instead? So it took 1 from A, moved it to B, giving me 2 there, and decreasing the number that's in A. And then, so the move number stayed consistent here because I was retrying that same move. And then lastly here, moving from and to, let's say I am going to move from C to B. And need to scroll the screen here. And I move from C to B, and it updates these values accordingly. It gives me a message, sorry, that's not it, try again. And then I'd have to retry my program. So that's the basic idea. We also can see here that an example of the code in your program. At the top of your program, you should have documentation explaining what the program is about and your identity, and then also having the grading rubric up there, a summary of the grading rubric. We'll use this to annotate your program to indicate to you where there might be some point deductions.